After watching this, you will never drink water while you eat. I think that many people around the world, including me, have a bad habit to drink water while they eat. But according to a recent research, the medical experts found that it is not good to drink water while you eat, and it can do more harm than good. The medical experts say that if you drink water while you eat, it can do more harm than good. They also say that too much fluid during a meal can cause bloating, indigestion, and prevent proper absorption of nutrients. Well, this means that you shouldn't drink water at least 30 to 60 minutes before you eat your meal. But if you must drink water and you are super thirsty, then you should drink in small sips. Big gulps and large amounts of water while you eat will dilute the hydrochloric acid in the stomach, and it is crucial for proper decomposition of the food. So if you want to improve and speed up the digestion process, you should chew your food very well, eat when you are relaxed, and consume more bitter and acidic foods. You should know that these habits stimulate bile flow enzymes and thus create ideal conditions for the breakdown of food and the maximum absorption of nutrients. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. You will never throw away banana peels after watching this. Human beings consume billions of bananas each year, making this peculiar yellow fruit one of the most popular foods in the world. However, those billions of bananas we eat result in billions of banana peels, which are typically thrown away. Did you know banana peels make one of the best fertilizers out there? I didn't until I started researching it. Turns out, banana peels are a rich source of nutrients your plants crave: potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, along with a host of other minerals your plants need. Here are 6 ways to recycle your banana peels and never throw them away. 1. Compost. Probably the most popular and easiest use for banana peels is to mix them into the compost pile. Peels add potassium and phosphorus to compost, which promote root development and overall plant health when incorporated into garden soil. 2. Brew some compost tea. If you don't have a compost pile, you can still use banana peels to feed your garden. Simply drop a few peels into a bucket full of water and let it sit for a couple of days to make compost tea. Mix 1 part banana peel compost tea with 5 parts fresh water and feed this mineral-rich mixture to your plants about once per week in lieu of your normal watering. The added potassium and phosphorus will give your plants a boost to keep them growing strong. 3. Dried peel fertilizer. You can dry your banana peels and grind them into a fertilizer. If you only have a few peels to use up, but want to use them effectively on many plants, this is a great option. Add to your garden soil directly, either by sprinkling as a side dressing or gently incorporating into the dirt. 4. Create a banana peel spray. This spray is a fertilizer that also uses eggshells for a calcium boost and Epsom salt for magnesium. To create the fertilizer spray, you'll need banana peels, eggshells, Epsom salt, and water. Dry the banana peels and eggshells, then once they're dry, grind them together. Add the peels and shells to a spray bottle, along with the Epsom salt, and fill the sprayer to the top. Spray on your plants as needed. 5. Livestock feed. Humans are not the only ones who enjoy bananas. Livestock like chickens, rabbits, and pigs will enjoy ground-up dried banana peels added to their feed. Just make sure to clean the peels of any wax or pesticides before drying and offering them to pets or livestock. And 6. Create banana peel vinegar. Blueberries and other acid-loving plants will enjoy a treat of banana vinegar. Put your peels in a mason jar, and cover with enough water so they're submerged. Cover with cloth and rubber band or a loosely fitting top. Let the mixture sit for a week while the good bacteria does its job and unlocks the nutrients in the peel. After a week, remove the peels, and allow the water to sit, covered, until the mixture ferments into a vinegar. This can take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, depending on conditions such as temperature. If the mixture seems especially potent, dilute it with water right before using so you don't accidentally burn your plants. Now, if you know any other uses of banana peels, please share them in the comments below.